Cordless air dusters have emerged as a practical, eco-friendly alternative to disposable compressed air cans. They offer reusable power, targeted airflow, and typically include multiple nozzles and brushes to tackle sensitive electronics, keyboards, and car interiors without the noise and waste of canned air. In this review, I tested 5 mid to premium cordless dusters from Reladol, Fresmol, Ivy, and Wolfbox, spanning a price range of $18.99 to $79.99. My methodology combined hands-on testing across common use cases, PC keyboard cleaning, electronics, home office services, and light inflating tasks, objective measurements, RPM, battery life, charging time, and nozzle versatility, and qualitative user experience observations, ergonomics, weight, button design, and LED indicators.
Product number 1, Wolfbox MF50 Electric Air Duster. The Wolfbox MF50 impressed me right away with its compact but powerful airflow. Its 110,000 RPM motor pushes enough air to clean keyboards, PC fans, home vents, and car dashboards with ease. The 3 adjustable power levels make it flexible for delicate electronics or heavier dust. Compared to disposable cans, the rechargeable battery saves money over time and makes cordless cleaning genuinely convenient. I found the build solid and surprisingly lightweight, so it's easy to use for longer sessions without fatigue. It's also got good accessory nozzles for detail work. The main downside is that on the highest speed, it can be a bit loud and can drain the battery quicker than expected if you overuse it in turbo mode. For its performance and quality, the price sits nicely in the mid-range of cordless dusters, giving great value for the features and reliability.
Product number 2, Fresmol 100,000 RPM Air Duster. I've used the Fresmol cordless air duster a lot for PC maintenance and small electronics work. Its 100,000 RPM motor delivers solid airflow that gets dirt out of tight corners, vents, and keyboards efficiently. The built-in LED light is nice for seeing dust in dark crevices, and the battery holds up well for multiple cleaning sessions before needing a recharge. The body feels slightly heavier and bulkier compared to ultra-compact models, but that also gives it a more robust feel in hand. One area I'd improve is the battery indicator. It's basic and could be more detailed so you know exactly how much power is left. Compared to other models at this price bracket, it's well balanced in performance and worth the investment, especially if you clean regularly and want the LED feature to aid visibility.
Product number 3, Wolfbox MF100 Electric Air Duster. This is one of my favorite all-around cordless dusters. The MF100 is noticeably stronger than the MF50 thanks to its 150,000 RPM brushless motor that blows really effective airflow for deep cleaning electronics, automotive vents, air conditioner filters, and even outdoor tools. During use, it never felt underpowered. Dust flies out quickly. The 3 speed options let me dial down for delicate items like camera gear or crank up for more stubborn dirt. The build quality feels rugged and reliable for repeated use. Battery life is strong and charging is fast compared to some cheaper models. If you're comparing price to performance within these 5 products, the MF100 gives premium power for a competitive price, making it an excellent choice if you need performance that's consistently higher than standard models.
Product number 4, Reladol 100,000 RPM Air Duster with LED. I found the Reladol model to be an easy-to-use cordless duster with good airflow and extra lighting. Its LED display and light really help when cleaning keyboards, car vents, and behind desk gear where shadows hang. Performance is solid for everyday cleaning, and the included nozzles let you focus airflow where needed. Battery life is decent for a full session before recharge, and fast USB-C charging is convenient. One downside is that it's not as powerful as the Wolfbox MF100, so for heavy dust buildup, you might need more time or multiple passes. It's slightly heavier due to the larger battery pack and LEDs, but that's a fair trade-off for more runtime. Considering its features and price, this unit hits a sweet spot for practicality and convenience if you like built-in lighting and a clear battery display.
Product number 5, BOFSKDVPCH Cordless Air Duster. This brushless cordless air duster impressed me with its quiet yet efficient performance. While cleaning sensitive electronics and intricate components, its adjustable speed settings allowed me to choose gentler airflow that didn't risk damage. I liked that the battery recharged quickly and offered good runtime for continuous jobs like car dashboard cleaning or PC fan dusting. The build quality felt solid and it didn't heat up excessively during extended use. The main con was that, compared with the most powerful options on this list, its peak airflow was slightly lower, though still more than enough for most consumer use cases. In terms of value, given its performance and features, it was very competitive, especially if you want a quieter, brushless motor option for regular cleaning tasks.